Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review sound test of 808 HEXTETHER wireless speaker. Come on, zoom in. So, big sound, rechargeable, and it has a 6-hour battery life. And of course it's Bluetooth and comes with a little carabiner, which is pretty cool. So it has a 1-year limited warranty, and you can go to www.808audio.com. Link down below in the description. And they're saying that it's supposed to work with everything: phones, tablets, slash iPads, iOS, Android, Samsung Galaxy, I guess, and laptops. So yeah, this is the blue version. I know they made a black version. I can't remember if they made a green or a red version. I know there's at least 3 different colors of this design right here for the HEXTETHER from the 808 company. I just can't remember what the third one was. But I know black and usually and blue is like the standard ones. So yeah, let's get this open and tail at it. So it looks like it's kind of... Yeah, there we go. For a second I was like, is there more tape on this? We get something else in here. But it looks like we're going to have to cut the bottom of the box to get it out. So a little bit of tape on the bottom. There we go. So, kind of weird how they did this. We have, this was just like, care and maintenance, blah blah blah, type of stuff. Sign up, start sharing, earn points, get rewards. So I guess, join the movement, become a 808er. So 808er. And I guess you get points or something. Be nice if this thing opened up. I hate when these companies do this. They like, instead of just sitting the insert flat, no, they have to roll it up, and that makes it hard to open the thing up. So I guess it's supposed to be this sound system, headphones, more sound system, headsets and stuff. Actually, that one kind of looks interesting. And those. I think this one just produces sound from the top. Well, at least they're thanking you for the purchase, so that's pretty cool. Something about the 808, I guess, user guide or quick start. So yeah, foreign language gets a big thick piece of paper. English gets the little thin one. Oh my god, they did this funny. It says, "Hi, I'm a phone." Well, so you're gonna be, "Hi, phone, I'm a speaker." No, I'm not kidding. I'm not making this up. It actually says it right there. "Hi, I'm a phone. Hi, I'm a speaker." Parent, the 2 devices get to know each other. Connect, the 2 devices do something together, like play music. Okay, I don't know who came with this, but either you're a moron or either they're having a lot of fun and I love it. So I don't really know if I should hate it for the way how they're wording out for wordplay, or I should love it. Step 1. Unpack. Make sure the fire irons come in this package. Your speaker, your USB micro charger, which is this, which is a little bit interesting because most companies, when they have rechargeable Bluetooth speaker type of devices, they usually give you like a long little cable. This is just a real short type of device. And then of course your carabiner. Charge it. Stuff. Step 3, turn it on. I guess that's an on-off thing. We'll go to step 4, pairing. Enable the Bluetooth on your smartphone or other device. Yeah. Make sure the indicator light on the top of the speaker is blinking rapidly. If it isn't, give a short double press on the power button. The speaker gives an audio signal. Then choose the 808 tether, and the thing should be, pretty much set. Set your device volume from music to 50%. Start playing. There's a Audrey. Yeah. You could just put in like weather cable here to listen to your music. A Zoe. There we go. Can finally speak again. Instead of getting tongue-tied. So, a little device. So, the sound right there. But here, it says 808. If you can see it there. But what's weird is this one's printed in there in waves a bit. Well, this one on the front is just an 808 sticker, which is kind of weird. There's a light or power button, and right here it says charging, where you could just, let's see, slide in like this to charge it. And if you have auxiliary cable, just put it right in there. So let's get our little carabiner out so it doesn't get lost. There we go. Okay, so that was the notification that your device is on. Wow, this is Louis Kitten right here. So let's go ahead and search for the device. On the phone it doesn't say that it's the 808 tether, just now it says 808 tether pairing. Yeah, this device is really loud. So I guess it's paired up, I'm guessing. I thought that maybe you could stand like this to have the sound go forward. You can, but it's a little finicky. I guess it's meant for like that, to really listen to it. Anyway, I'm going to be putting one of my own videos, so YouTube won't give me a copyright strike. And if they do, stupid YouTube. Right, so volume all the way up. Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Extreme HDMI switch communicator. So what I noticed on this thing is there's no volume control on here. I mean, other ones somewhat have a volume control. Some of them don't. This one doesn't. It seems to be pretty loud, but the volume comes directly from your device. So if you turn your volume down, it's going to go down. Turn it up, it's going to go up. So yeah. And it's pretty much just a simple basic one. But, for the price, it's not that bad. I know these are kind of pricey. That's why I didn't buy it. But over at Myers, I want to say. No, I think I got this one over at Target. Yeah, that looks definitely like a Target one. Although it says 20% off, which makes me think Myers. Actually, I can't remember because I seen them both at Target and Myers, but they were pricey, especially at Target. Target I think was like 35 or $40 for one of these, and Myers was like about 20, 25. That's why I was like, yeah, no. But when it was like, hey, you're getting it for $7.99, I was like, yeah, I'll buy it because I know how much this one goes for. Not that bad, like I said, real simple, quick, easy to pair. It's an okay one. Like I said, link to the website down below in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.